Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step-by-step how you can message yourself in your Slack workspace. Before we begin, messaging yourself on Slack is actually a super useful productivity trick. Many people use it as a personal notepad to save ideas, links, reminders, drafts, and even files they want to access across devices. Think of it as your own private workspace inside Slack, where you can stay organized. So let us type right into it and show you how you can make that happen. So head over to Slack and access your account. Add over to your workspace in the top left corner, select it from that list. So let's go with this one here. Also, keep in mind that this method works on both the Slack desktop app and the web version. So no matter where you're working from, you can easily message yourself from any device. And here to the left, inside your workspace, you will see a list of all channels, conversations, and apps. So if you'd like to start a conversation with yourself, guys, all you will need to do is simply click into the plus button in the bottom left corner of that navigation or side power here, and click into Create New. And from that menu, select Message to start a new conversation in the direct messaging section here, or in that list of direct messages there. If you're using Slack for project management, this is also a powerful way to save quick tasks or notes that you later move into your workspace channels. Many users also upload voice notes or screenshots to their personal chat for easy access on mobile. And as you can see, guys, if we zoom in a bit, we will see that I have already started a conversation with myself. So this is how you can start one with yourself too. So once you've started a new message by clicking into that button here at the top, you will see the address bar next to with that double dot. So here to the right, simply enter your username. Or if you already see your username here in that list of suggested contacts, simply select yourself. You will see that indicating that here in that brackets, that it is you. So simply select your username and that's basically it. A quick tip, if you're working in a team, remember that this chat is completely private. Nobody else can see it. So feel free to use it as your personal reminder space, a place to test formatting, or even somewhere to store small files that you need across multiple devices. After that, simply send yourself a message here at the bottom like, I don't know, the old bro, something like that. Press enter, and that is gonna send a message to yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you liked this tip, let me know in the comments what Slack tricks you want us to cover next. Or drop any questions you have. And don't forget to hit the so you won't miss our upcoming productivity tutorials.